Be in sync, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, be in sync. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. Be in sync is made up of two main words, be and sync. Be is a verb that refers to existence or a state of being. Sync is short for synchronization, which refers to two or more things happening or operating at the same time or pace. When combined, be in sync generally means that things are working together harmoniously or in agreement. Let's explore some situations where you might hear or use be in sync. 1. Dance. If two dancers move together perfectly, matching each other's steps and rhythms, they are said to be in sync. 2. Opinions. If two friends always agree on movie choices, one might say, we're always in sync with our movie tastes. 3. Work. In a team project, if all members have a clear understanding and are moving towards a common goal, the team is in sync. Some people confuse be in sync with just being together or being in the same place. But it's more about harmony and agreement than mere presence. For example, two people can be in the same room but have different opinions. In this case, they aren't in sync regarding their views. Understanding synonyms can deepen your grasp of a phrase. Here are some synonyms for be in sync: be in tune, be on the same wavelength, be in harmony, align with. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to be in sync. It's all about harmony, agreement, and moving or thinking together. We hope this video helps you incorporate this phrase into your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the nuances behind them. Until next time, keep learning and stay in sync with the beauty of English.